Welcome to this tutorial on how to hide candles on Metatrader 5. A comprehensive guide for beginners. Metatrader 5 is a popular trading platform used by Forex traders, and understanding its features is essential for successful trading. To hide candles on Metatrader 5, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart window. The chart window displays the price action of the selected currency pair or financial instrument. The first step is to identify the chart type, which can be found at the top of the chart window. Metatrader 5 offers several chart types, including candlestick, line, and bar charts. For this tutorial, we will be using the candlestick chart. To hide candles, you need to change the chart type to a line chart or a bar chart, which does not display candles. To do this, click on the chart type button at the top of the chart window and select the line chart or bar chart option. Alternatively, you can also use the period separator to hide candles. The period separator is a feature that allows you to separate the chart into different time periods. To use the period separator, click on the period separator button at the top of the chart window and select the desired time period. Another way to hide candles is to use the chart properties window. To access the chart properties window, right-click on the chart window and select Properties. In the chart properties window, you can select the color and style of the candles, as well as the chart type. To completely hide the candles, you can select the None option for the candle style. This will remove the candles from the chart, leaving only the price action. In conclusion, hiding candles on Metatrader 5 is a simple process that can be achieved by changing the chart type or using the period separator. By following these steps, you can customize your chart to suit your trading needs and improve your trading experience. Remember to practice using the different chart types and features to become more familiar with the Metatrader 5 platform.